And we're getting some breaking news. President Draupadi Murmu, the Supreme Commander of India's Armed Forces, has embarked on a frontline cavalry class attack submarine on the western seaboard. We're showing you the visuals of the same. The President's submarine ride came at Indian Navy's indigenous cavalry class submarine INS Vakshir at Karnataka's Karwar Naval Base, accompanied by Chief of Naval Staff Admiral Dinesh K. Tripathi. This marks her maiden submarine sortie, making her only the second president of India to board a submarine after APJ Abdul Kalam. Now, the indigenous submarine, named after a deadly predator of the seas, underscores India's growing underwater combat capability. The Western Seaboard message is all about stealth, preparedness, and command from the depths. My colleague Shreya Chatterjee is now joining us with more details on this story. Shreya, what message does the president's participation, being the supreme commander of the armed forces, send out?
Well, this only boosts the morale of our naval forces. And, this is the second time, I think, after former President APJ Abdul Kalam also undertook a similar sortie. This is happening in Karnataka at the Karwar Naval Base. And this is the INS Vakshir that we are looking at, that Draupadi Murmu is undertaking a sortie. The Western Command, I believe, is actually part of this entire sortie submarine operation that is taking place, but clearly very nice visuals that have also come in of the president there at aboard the submarine. This is a sortie that is right now taking place in Karnataka, is what we are given to understand. And as I mentioned, this is only the second time that we are seeing a president undertake a sortie of the similar manner after former President APJ Abdul Kalam did the same.
Right, Shreya, and what is the objective of these exercises that are undertaken by the president, with Draupadi Murmu being just the second president to do so?
Well, this is not the first time that we're also seeing Draupadi Murmu take some sort of an operation like this. Earlier this year, remember, in the month of October 29, we saw her also take a sortie of an airborne Rafale, and she was also the first Indian president to actually take that kind of a sortie. The fact that our top heads are involved in such sorties, especially when it comes to the demonstration of, be it our air forces, be it our naval forces, it only boosts the morale of our, of our first officials who are there in the line of battle. So clearly this boosts morale of all these officials, and this is not the first time that we're seeing her take something like that. As I mentioned, that in the month of October as well, this year itself, she had also taken a Rafale sortie, and now in December, this is for the second time that she's actually seen in that submarine sortie accompanying our naval forces.
Absolutely, Shreya. Thank you so much for those details and for that context. We're showing you the visuals of President Draupadi Murmu, the Supreme Commander of India's Armed Forces, who embarked on a frontline cavalry-class attack submarine on the western seaboard today. The President's submarine ride came at Indian Navy's indigenous cavalry-class submarine INS Vakshir at Karnataka's Karwar Naval Base.